Hey there sailors, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get plague wood in Windrose. Now first things first, you are going to need to do a few things for you to get some plague wood. First off, you need to have unlocked the Cursed Swamp region. Once you defeated the local threat of the foothills area, which is Israel Hands, who is part of the main storyline. Once you defeated Hands, more than likely, you should have unlocked the Forgotten Relics questline. This will lead you to your very first Cursed Swamp area on the map. Now for you to be able to get plague wood, you are going to go inside a completely infested area. Right in front of me is that area. Now on my map is right next to the ancient debris site, but it might be different for yours. Now do be careful around this area, because more than likely you are going to find some plague hunters that are guarding around the area, and they have spears that do a lot of damage when they completely connect to you. So either fight them in range or fight them through melee. The choice is yours. Just keep a lookout of these trees right here that have some pustules around it. And do keep in mind that you can only be here for a limited amount of time. If you take a look at the bar below, just try not to let it reach to the full bar. For now, I don't exactly know what it means, so I'm just going to be completely cautious and not let it rise up. Alright, now once you've cut down these tainted trees, you should be able to get some plague wood as you saw right there. Get as much as you can with the limited amount of time you have left. And that's pretty much about it on how to get plague wood in Windrose.